Rahim. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I thank the European Commission for inviting me to this conference. It is the first under a new Syrian government and therefore guided by a spirit of possibility to revive the country and to reset its international relationships. The Shia Ismaili Muslim community, of which I am the Imam, has been established in Syria for more than 1,000 years. The Ismaili Imamate and the AKDN Development Network renew today the pledge of our ongoing and permanent support for the Syrian people and our determination to help foster peace, hope and development for a better future. We commit today to make available a minimum of €100 million over the next 2 years towards Syria's recovery. With our partners, we intend to scale up humanitarian efforts to invest in renewable energy and other vital areas of the economy, to expand the provision of healthcare and education, to address food insecurity, to restore and preserve Syria's rich cultural assets. This work will require critical enabling conditions, foremost of which is an end to violence and a commitment to peace by all parties. It is our dearest hope and expectation that Syria's new government will uphold its promise of enlightened, pluralistic and inclusive government for all Syrians, irrespective of gender, faith or background. Now is the time to address a massive humanitarian crisis and the economic despair affecting the country. It's the time to release vital transitional assistance at scale because the Syrian people need support. We have an opportunity and an obligation now to foster hope, stability and prosperity in Syria for all Syrians. Thank you.